Hi everyone. So today I am able to get myself familiar with the small agents offered to us by HuggingFace. So basically, I got an idea how it works, and according to me, HuggingFace launched this framework to replace their transformers pipeline, I think, because it's work in the similar manner, and it is even better than that. So here what I am doing, this is like to get a taste how small agents work in Hugging Face. So I imported code agent, DuckDuckGo search tool, and initially I am using this HF API model when I am using some models from uh, offered by Hugging Face to us, but then I got some issues related to the credit, so I shift to light LLM model, and now currently I'm using Gemini for it. So just to get an overview how in the backend it is working and how a small agent is processing anything. So I asked it a silly question, just like how long would it take for an elephant to cross the United States from Florida to California? So when I run this, so we will see how uh, our this small agents is handling this thing. So we can see in the beginning it like considered our question, and then we can see the what our model is Gemini 1.5 Flash and how it is executing it. So it is calculating the distance between the Florida to California driving distance. Then for distance result, it is going to the web and performing a web search for this query. And then we will got result of the distance. Then it will calculate the average walking speed of an elephant. Then again, it will go to web search for this query. We can see we have not provided any query of this type. So just taken a statement to so that we can get a clear picture how that this is working. So then it is printing like speed of an elephant. And since we got the distance and speed, so then to do this, where it went for the web search. So firstly, we got our distance from this website. Then this is road trip from Florida to California. So we are getting like different websites. So it is confirming from the various web searches different websites to confirm that the result we got should be pretty accurate behind the scenes. And then we can see again and again it is confirming the distance between Florida to California. And then we start searching for the second query, like how fast an elephant could run or move, something like that. So it is doing web search on these kind of uh, websites, like something related to Africa Geographic and AfricaFreak.com, and different website similar to this, which can provide like moving speed of an elephant, so that we got our result right. And after doing all this web search, so at the end, what we got a distance in miles, then we have speed per hour, and then at the end, we able to find out the answer to this question. So it would take approximately 28 days for an elephant to cross the United States from Florida to California. Let's change this question a little bit and see uh, hmm, what is the 18th number of uh, Fibonacci series. So it's related to some math question, and let's see if we able to find out the 18th number of Fibonacci series doing this. So yes, again we are. So this time our agent didn't feel anything like it need to do any web search here. So that's why it's directly applied the mathematical equation formula and it returned us like the final answer. Okay, so yeah, that's how it is working. And let's move on to the next example. Then I like tried to uh, run a program which converts text to image. Then here I am using code agent and again everything. But here we are using tool as well, which is provided to us by Hugging Face with small agents. So in the tool works in the similar manner. Like in the fast API, we define a route. So tool is similarly here as a decorator, which will convert our basic function in Python to a tool which will be available to us for performing any task. So here, mm, what I am doing, I have declared a class here, then provided some description. So here we are getting the tool, and then in the inputs we have like prompts and model, which we are using. So current model output type we expected image because this is a text to image. Then current model, if this Hugging Face thing is not able to like get a model as then it will use this model. So we can consider this model as a default model. Then we use forward function, which is like a convention in small agents while we are working with it using Hugging Face. So what we are expecting it to return the saved image and the prompt by using which we generated that image with the model. Then at the end, what we are expecting it to generate an image, and then in this, so here I am using Gradio. So what is Gradio? Gradio is basically a interface which will be provided to us when we run this program to like add new prompts. So this is just example. So our system will not directly try to generate images on these. So yeah, it can generate these images. So I will just copy a prompt and when we run it, so we will get a link or like on our local host where we can access this. So you can see we got our AI image generator, but currently it is not working because OpenAI API key is also paid, and Hugging Face, I am also facing this credit issue. So we can see that when we try to like generate this image using our this agent Q12 coder 3 billion instruct, which it is fetching automatically. So this is, I think, the best available model for image generation our Hugging Face has. So that's why it is choosing this model. And we are again getting this credit limit issue. And I tried it to like do it by Gemini, fi- but Gemini don't support this text to image creation type of thing. So I failed in doing that. But we can see that we are getting a good front end to do this thing. If we have the credits thing, then surely we will be able to generate this image. And then at last, I tried to make a chatbot using our Gemini 1.5 Flash, same model which we are using in the first program by replacing a custom Hugging Face model. So how I am doing it, and then again, I am importing code agent and a light LLM model. So this is offered to us if we want to use a third-party model instead of the custom model provided to us by Hugging Face. So here I am running a loop. Uh, so it will give us an input box to enter a message. Then if we enter exit, then it will break the loop and chatbot will end. Then we are just appending the message which is entered by user, and in the response we have set the response to be maximum of 500 tokens, and after that we are simply running this program. So it will provide us an message like enter a message. Hi, my name is Pratik. So I think it will greet me. Oh, hi Pratik. It's nice meeting you. So what is Hugging Face? Let us see if it's able to provide us something related to the Hugging Face. And let's see. So Hugging Face is a company and platform that focuses on making machine learning more accessible. Think of it as a central hub and is the breakdown, model hub, dataset spaces. So it's generating a very good output related to this. Okay. So and we can at the end we can mark exit. So we came out of the program and that's how our chatbot is working. And here I you can see that we have written like 10 lines of code to make this chatbot work. And that's how seamlessly small agents can help us in doing what work, like with almost like 10 or 15 lines of code, which is like can be a hectic task to do by following like traditional things. Yeah, so that's all from my end. And tomorrow I will focus on generating like robust system using multiple type of agents, sorry. And I think for that we're going to need the Hugging Face models. That's all from my end. Thank you so much.